Okay? First I'm going to tell you, things like this are all made in the same factory. So, yeah. So, yeah, literally. Anyway, uh, as y'all know, I do vehicle life, and when I start, and I figure it's customary to have a stove, a stove thing. So what I'm picking for both my stoves, besides whatever else, would be this, since it can boil water for coffee, I believe, and this if I want to cook whatever. Now, to clean it at first, what I'm thinking is what I usually do when I wash a dish. Unscented wipes, fragrance-free wipes, water, and a paper towel. Now, I've done this without getting sick. So, caution advised. Okay? Huh. I actually forgot about that. Anyway. Literally, these type of stoves are made in the same factory. Okay? Don't let anyone tell you what they are. Okay? So, yeah, what I'm thinking of doing is taking a wipe or two and wiping inside and wiping the rim and outside and all that. Then, at least inside, spraying it with the water, which is water. I figure I have a small vehicle anyway, so makes no sense to have a big bottle at all. So, and then using a paper towel and wiping inside and outside. Now, caution, I have done this successfully without getting sick, but that's just me. Be careful if you're going to do it. I want to, by the way, the only complaint I have about this is like this thing right here. Because, dear God, I don't like that. I really don't. And I know y'all like, well, don't you have one of those camp stove things? One of those like stove things, the things you put onto the cylinder? Yeah. But I feel like something like this is perfect. And by the way, I'll show you why I got these two things real quick. I'm gonna have to do it this way because I am not trying to get that crap out. It's the fire maple one. I like this though. So yeah. Both of these, the fire maple and the USD Pack Log Stove Kit, come with these stand things for the pots and pans. And they're cheaper than a Jetboil, which basically, as I said, all same factory. Different branding. Oh yeah, I forgot about this actually. Came with an empty box. So yeah, oh god. Oh god, this thing is like not doing what I need to do. Anyway, here we go. Oh, by the way, if you get one of these, right here's what you have to do to get this up. I was like, oh god, oh god, oh god. Last night, so yeah. Now, anyway, as you see, these are literally all the same stands. Literally, these are all the same stands, except for sometimes you get like a little stamp or branding right here. So yeah, this is kind of a two-way video. But yeah, do you think it will work if I rub it or do it all that? I also like this because it comes with a small little bowl. So, I don't know. You can just eat inside from the thing. I mind a bag. Okay, see this right here? Not this thing right here, but the other thing. that is the pot pan holder for this. And yes, it is USD branded. So, yeah. But yeah, do y'all think that would work? You know? I don't know how the heck I got that. Oh god, how did I get that? Anyway. Unless I gotta, oh god, unless I gotta do this. I'm just, no I don't. What the heck? That's weird. Anyway. But yeah, do y'all think that'll work? Like, do you think that'll be like, I mean, I have washed dishes with, literally, I use this brand. Because it has no chamomile or anything like that, and it's just a fragrance wipe. And honestly, I've used it, and, you know, so yeah. Anyway, I know it's a random video, but it's whatever. Anyway, peace.